I'm Sam, and I'm standing in front of the Cfx Empire. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of our workshop. I'll guide you through the departments and people that make your Cfx Pro Silicone mask the most comfortable rubber you'll ever wear. Here at the Cfx facility, once you get past our security checkpoint and retinal scan, you'll come into our main reception office. Here we have Jonathan. Hi. And Lori, who you may know as Cricket.
Hi.
Our office staff is always hard at work answering phone calls and taking emails, taking orders, and organizing corporate takeovers. Just past the office, we come into the main administration area, where the sculpting, designing, and general employee berating takes place.
Hey, get back to work!
Here's one of the co-owners and co-founders of Cfx, Ken.
Hello.
And here's the other co-founder and co-owner, Wes.
Hey.
And here's Diana, our marketing, PR, and occasional sculptor.
Occasional?
Here's Chris Hamburger, our mold maker, sculptor, and designer.
Hey.
Next, we have our tool shop. This is where the molds are made, wood, metal, and fiberglass are fabricated, and fingers are sawed off.
Son of a bitch!
Just next door is our design office, where we have our vinyl plotter for decals and stencils, and of course, our 3D printer. With this machine, we can literally build almost any computer-generated model as an actual three-dimensional sculpture. This machine is used for producing everything from engineering prototypes to small molds to our own head forms used to make your masks. On our way next on the tour is Suite B. In this office is where the IT department hits, namely me. This is where the website's managed, our production software is developed, and occasionally Facebook users are banned. Office B is also where the black, joyless, unsanctified pit known as Human Resources is headed. Meet Scott.
Greetings.
Here, Scott hosts several series of grueling interviews and dangerous tests for hopeful job applicants. This is also where Cfx employees come to deposit complaints, fill out mountains of soul-selling paperwork, and acquire beatings both psychologically and physically. In this cold, lonely corner of the workshop, we have our rotocasters, both man and machine. Here we make our display head forms that come with your Pro Silicone masks, as well as armatures and other plastic props that we make. Say hello, Gabe.
Hello, Gabe.
Gabe operates the machines that spin liquid polymer at precise intervals in order to turn highly toxic raw materials into perfectly safe head forms. This is usually where a Cfx employee begins the twisted and macabre journey into becoming a fully fledged family member of the company. Because of this, we're almost always looking for more disposable bodies to fill the position. So if you're psychotic enough to be interested, you get to email Scott for further details, and may God save your soul. And now I'm going to take you on a brief tour of our mass production process from start to finish. It all starts here in our casting department, where we store our vast library of molds and drums of silicone components. Once your order has been placed by our production staff into the system, it is then transferred here for our casting staff. First, we have Ryan stamping out a reinforced mesh with a die press. Say hello, Ryan.
How's it going?
Next, we have Anthony mixing the colors into the raw silicone. Introduce yourself, Anthony.
Hey, how's it going?
To the camera. Good Lord. All right.
God damn it, you're an idiot. And then the liquid silicone is injected into the appropriate mold and left to cure. During this part of the mass production process is when we add our patent-pending Duraflex system. I can't show you that, however, because I'm under contract and would probably be killed and dumped into a river. Once a bare mask has been removed from the mold, it naturally has some imperfections to clean up. At these two stations, small air pockets are filled in and smoothed over, and edge flashing is trimmed off. This is also where the eyes and mouth holes are trimmed out. Doing this today, we have Rachel, say hello.
Hi.
And Jeff.
Hi.
Once a mask has been cleaned off and all the dog hair and sawdust safely removed, it's brought here to our finishing department. The artists at these stations work hard to make sure that the masks are the most realistic on the market. First, a product is given a chemical degreasing bath. Then, the mold edges are seamed to a smooth surface. Then painting begins. Most of the painting process is done with an airbrush. Skin texture variation is applied, then veins and capillaries, then detail shading and other colorations are all done by hand, making each mask a unique piece of art. Finally, our special abrasion coatings are applied, and the mask is set out to cure, ready to move on to either final inspection or the hair department. Masks that need hair work move on to this room. This is JC. Say hello, JC.
Hi.
JC spends hours upon hours punching individual hairs and styling as well as adhering funny wigs and turning them into hair masterpieces. Not to mention all the time she spends picking up hair clippings at barbershops around town for materials. After a mask has gone through all the people and processes to make it 100% awesome, it then has to go through a rigorous inspection process performed by Postmaster Gabriel. Say hello, Gabe.
Hello, Gabe.
Here it's checked over at a near microscopic level with utmost scrutiny, causing numerous heated and bloody disagreements between shipping and production staff. Check our pay-per-view schedule for weekly cage fights. But after a mask gets a passing grade, it gets packed up nice and cozy and kicked out the door to be on its way to you. Thank you for joining us on our tour of Composite Effects today. We hope you'll enjoyed it and will continue to make CFX your #1 mask supplier.